welcome, Angel. Thanks for stopping by. We got us a regular old New Mexican evening time thunderstorm. I'm kind of headed right into the edge of one, and you hear that wind? It's actually pretty intense. I'm headed to the lake. I was gonna go kayaking, but I'm probably not going kayaking in that. So I'm just gonna take some pictures and see what I see. Since I'm all the way out here in my big old van, hopefully I won't get blown away. Woo! Just hoping to catch some lightning pictures, although that's a little scary. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I hope you're doing something that you love. I wish you peace, prosperity, positivity, love and laughter, and lightheartedness. Sunsets and good times. There's the Sandia Mountains. Nice shot there, huh? Everybody's leaving where I'm heading to. Woo. Ciao.